Hey guys, I want to show you a quick and easy way to get a closed hand pose, a fist, when you're doing full body with VR Interaction Framework. I'm constantly looking for ways to do this because I'm not very good at really creating the closed fist hand pose on these full body characters. I've gone through a couple ways, but I've come up with a very easy way for you guys to get this quite quickly. So uh, I've already got a project going. This is in 2021, but this will work in any version of Unity. I've already installed VR Interaction Framework, and I'm just in the sample scene. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Mixamo. Find yourself a character. It doesn't really matter as long as your full body avatar can be used with Mixamo. This will work for it. So just go ahead and download the character. We want this for Unity. Download it. Give it a hot second. Okay, so once that's downloading, I want you to go over here and look for fight. And you want to find a fighting animation where the fists are closed. And I think you know where I'm going with this. So let's see. Okay, this one will work right here. So let's go ahead and download this one. FBX for Unity, download. And you could probably do this with just downloading one, but I did it separate, so that's the way I'm going to do it. Okay, so once those are downloaded, open your download folder. Go and get rid of that. Okay, so in here, I want to make a new folder. We'll call this Mixamo. Oh, okay. In here, I'm going to drag the character. Okay. Click on the root. Change generic to humanoid. Click apply. If you're using this character, you would go to materials, extract texture, you can create a new folder, or you can drop them in right here. Just hit select folder. This way we can get some color on it. Just hit fix. And then hit extract materials, select the same folder, or you can put it into its own folder. So now we have color on this model. 0000. Okay. So now let's create a new folder. Call this animations or animation. There we go. And then in this one, I'm going to drag my other one, which has got the fighting on it. Cool. And then all we got to do on this is the rig, change it to humanoid. This model, click apply. Come down to your fighting. Click Control D to duplicate that animation. Then we can actually delete this. Okay, so now all we need is a controller. So now right click, create animation controller. Call this pose controller. Okay, get that on our animator. We'll drag our animation in there. It'll automatically do that. Let's come back over here and then we just drag our controller onto there. And on our character, come down to your armature. A lot of times it's called root. So let's just come down to our hand and add a hand poser. Hit auto assign, check that these are correct, okay. And then if we hit play, you'll see that she's now making a fist. So now while it's doing that, I can click save pose, and then I can put avatar left hand fist, or closed, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, click save. Okay, play. And then we know that when you're doing hand poses with full body, the animator will override it, so you got to go and remove the hand bones. I'm not going to go through all that, but this is how you get the hand pose. So let's turn the hand animator off. Excuse me. You see right now she's got straight hands, so let's come down to the left hand, and then we'll just assign our pose. So we called it avatar left hand. There you go, fist. There it is. I didn't have to do any rotations or joints. I just used the animation to get the fist. And I hope this helps you guys that are not very good at making these fist poses. One thing I've noticed with pretty much every avatar, that, to end on a note, is they're never shaped correctly. If you close your fist, it doesn't really look like that. And it's got something to do with the way most of these avatars' armatures in their hands are. But if you make a fist, really this should be like back here and kind of do this. But close enough. But anyway, there you go. Have a good one.